Hey y'all, watch your girl's transformation go from kinky coily to slick and sleek. So let's dive in, shall we?
What's up, Natural Tribe? Ty the Natural here. Welcome back to the channel. So on today, I am showing you how I do this quick, easy updo with a false bun and my two little twists. So if you would like to see this transformation, just keep on watching because we're getting started right now.
All right, guys, so we are starting off on freshly washed hair. You know how I like to start off, which is very important. You always want to start a protective style on clean hair anyways. So I am leading by example, and I am starting to section off the front of my hair. So I'll have my two twists. So I'll have my section for my twist out of the way. And then I'm just going to clip that so it's not in the way. And then I'm going to start slicking up one side of my hair, and then I'm going to ponytail that, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I just found it easier to do it this way instead of trying to mow down all of my hair at one time. My hair is just super thick, and I just want to make sure that my hair was nice and sleek for this style. So that's why I did it in two sections. And I am under the weather, guys. I do not have COVID or anything. I'm just under the weather. So I'm not going to talk throughout the whole video. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the snippet. The video is sped up, so we will not be here all day. So enjoy the video, kick back, and I will be back in just a moment.
Perfect.
All right, guys, so we have reached the end of the tutorial. Let me know down below what you guys think about this 2-in-1 style. You know, I love those. So let me know if you prefer the curly bangs or just the 2 twists. Which one was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. And I'm starting to think this one's my favorite. I think these curly bangs are the shiznit. So yeah, I'm rocking with the curly bangs, but let's see what you guys think. Thanks for watching today. I appreciate all the support and the love that I do get. I am so appreciative of everyone who does watch my videos. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you did enjoy this content, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you're feeling up to it, please leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. Have a wonderful week. Have a blessed and safe week as well. Watch your surroundings. Watch people who you don't know, because the world is nuts. So maybe I'll share what happened to me during an Uber ride. So if you would like to hear that, let me know down in the comments and I will make a video for it. Okay? All right, guys, I'm out of here. Love you. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.